The internet has changed the way we shop. Today we can buy almost anything online. This has led to a huge increase in e-commerce. E-commerce is buying and selling goods or services over the internet. If you want to sell online, you need an e-commerce website. This guide will help you understand how to create one. Think of your favorite online stores. They are easy to use and have great products. Building a successful e-commerce website takes planning and effort. It's like building a real store, but in the digital world. In this guide, we will discuss the steps involved in e-commerce website development. We'll cover important factors to consider, from choosing the right platform to optimizing your website for search engines. E-commerce website development is the process of creating an online store. It's like building a digital storefront where customers can browse products, place orders, and make payments. This involves designing the website and setting up secure payment gateways. Choose a domain name, design the site, list products, and set up payment processing. A well-designed e-commerce site can attract customers and boost revenue. There are different ways to build an e-commerce website. You can choose a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. These platforms offer ready-made templates and tools. They handle hosting and security. Custom websites offer more control, but they are more expensive. Choose based on your budget and needs. Key factors for success. When developing your e-commerce website, consider user interface and experience. Ensure it's easy to navigate, visually appealing, and mobile-friendly. Security is paramount. Implement SSL certificates and secure payment gateways. Use SEO to drive organic traffic with relevant keywords. Focus on these factors to create a user-friendly, effective e-commerce site. Tips for a thriving e-commerce site. Building a successful e-commerce website goes beyond just creating a functional online store. Research your competitors to understand their strengths and weaknesses. This will help you identify opportunities to differentiate your business. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to drive traffic to your website. Effectively manage your products. Ensure your product descriptions are clear, concise, and informative. Use high-quality images and videos to showcase your products. Most importantly, provide excellent customer service. Respond to inquiries promptly, resolve issues efficiently, and go the extra mile to exceed customer expectations. By implementing these tips, you can create an e-commerce website that not only attracts customers but also converts them into loyal patrons. Custom solutions for unique needs. While platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce cater to a wide range of businesses, some businesses have unique requirements that demand custom solutions. Custom e-commerce website development allows you to tailor every aspect of your online store to your specific needs. Whether it's integrating with a legacy inventory management system or creating a highly specialized checkout process, custom development offers the flexibility to bring your vision to life. It's important to note that custom development typically involves a higher investment compared to using pre-built platforms. However, the enhanced functionality, scalability, and competitive advantage it provides can be invaluable for businesses with complex operations or ambitious growth plans. Conclusion. Your journey to e-commerce success. Developing an e-commerce website opens doors to new markets and customers. Careful planning, research, and attention to detail are crucial. Choose the right platform and optimize for user experience and search engines. Seek expert support when needed. Partner with professionals for design, development, and marketing. Embrace online commerce. With dedication and the right strategies, your e-commerce website can drive growth and profitability.